Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best bicycle bearing pedal in this video? I will show you the top 5 best bicycle bearing pedal to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5, Welco Xpedo M Force 3. Specifications. Brand name, Xpedo. Model number, XMEC. Pedal category, self-locking pedal. Pedal device category, bearing. Use, mountain bikes. Material, aluminum alloy. Weight, 312 grams. Springs, SWP. Origin, TW origin. Number 4 is Riro carbon fiber pedals. Specifications. Brand name, Riro. Material, carbon. Type, ultralight pedal. Size, 97 by 86 by 18 mm. Model number, Riro SL Speed. Pedal category, ultralight pedal. Pedal device category, bearing. Use, cruisers, mountain bikes, road bicycles. As the item number 3 we've selected, Ultralight GEWAGE. Specifications. Brand name, Goldix. Model number, GE152. Material, aluminum/alloy. Pedal category, self-locking pedal. Pedal device category, bearing. Use, BMX, mountain bikes, road bicycles. Size, 96 by 66 by 34 mm. Number 2 is Welco WEM M19. Specifications. Brand, Welco. Model, M19. Body, aluminum clipless. Bearing, sealed bearing. Color, black, silver. Size, 79.8 by 59.8 by 30. 1 mm. Suitable for mountain bike. Weight, 296 grams. Origin, China, Taiwan. On the top of our list at number 1 we have KO Max Blade Carbon Road Pedals. Specifications. Model number, KO. Material, carbon. Pedal category, self-locking pedal. Pedal device category, bearing. Use, road bicycles.